Hey friends, in today's video, hubby and I are on a date night and we decided to go shopping for our new house. So make sure that you tune in and watch us go shopping and doing a little DIY, and make sure you watch till the end where I decorated all the pieces that we got. So stay tuned. Hey friends, we are celebrating our 10-year wedding anniversary a little bit differently this year. We are going shopping for our new house. So we're gonna come along, or you're gonna come along with us. We're actually gonna do something really cool that we've never done before. We're gonna go get pedicures together.
First time ever.
First time ever. So after that, we'll probably go to like Hobby Lobby or something like that. Very exciting. With all the hecticness of like moving and everything like that, we just haven't had time to plan anything elaborate for our 10-year anniversary. But yeah, I'm like putting makeup on in the car and everything because that's how we roll. All right, so stay tuned. They're not taking walk-ins at the nail salon. I was so sad because it looked really nice in there. Like the massage chairs was like nice and new. So we can't go. And we called another place and they're not taking walk-ins either, which I didn't really even think about because I never go get my nails done. But it makes sense that with the COVID and everything like that, they're doing that appointment only. So boo. Okay, let's try this again. Now we're going to Hobby Lobby because we're looking for, I'm trying to extend my arm out. We're looking for an entryway, like a bench for the entryway, and then maybe a console table. And look, you're wearing the mask I made you. You like it?
I love it.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Check it out and see what they have. And this Hobby Lobby is like less than 5 minutes away from our house. Yeah. Here she is. They're holding her for me. I love this. We're gonna use this for the entryway. And we both fit in it, and it's great, and we love it, right? We love it.
We love
it. And let's see, it's on sale, 30% off. So yay! So, cheaper than the other kinds that we've seen online. So, and I like this style a lot. I spy with my little eye an entryway table we want to look at. It's all the way up there. So we're gonna ask somebody to bring it down and see if we can have a closer look. Okay, so we didn't love the console table once we looked at it up close, but look at what we found. How cute is this? So we're actually gonna get this because Ronnie needs something for like inside the closet. He likes to put like, I guess they call it valet or something, I don't know.
Yeah.
Put like his little cell phone charger things here. Like, I don't know, guys have so much little trinkets and like loose change and what else? Your phone, colognes, and all that man stuff. And you can hang your belts and your stuff on here.
Yep. I
love it. We're gonna get this. It's a little bit on the high side for us, but you deserve it, honey. Happy anniversary.
Thank you, baby.
I am loving this sign. Let me love you a little more before you're not so little anymore. I really like that for maybe Caleb's room. Boys are made for adventure. Play all day. Oh, it's only $5. Ooh, what is this? Boys only. I like this one. This is really cute. Run wild, my child. That reminds me of Noah. Boys will be boys. So many cute things here. That's so funny. Alrighty, so we dropped off the bench at home and we had a switch in friends that were taking care of our boys.
Shift number two.
And we're at Hobby Lobby again because I'm looking for this specific
a different Hobby Lobby.
Yes, a different Hobby Lobby, and it's next to a super Target.
Can you tell she's excited?
I'm so excited about this. Like, the dream team. Target and Hobby Lobby right next to each other. Like, what else could I ask for? So
Nothing, I hope.
so we'll go inside and check it out now. Okay, I think I found the one. I love the color of the wood, and I love these little drawers. I can put like tablecloths and placemats and stuff like that in there. And I love that it has a bottom shelf so I can decorate and stuff. And the price is right. It does have this little thing here though. I don't know. So Home Goods and Marshall's was a bust. They had like nothing. Everything's like, the shelves were like pretty empty. I think it's been heavily shopped, and also because of the corona and everything, someone said that they weren't getting that many shipments in, so maybe that's what's going on. But yeah, no rugs. Like, they had no rugs, and they had like 2 baskets, and they were like unraveling and stuff, so not a lot of selection there. But we did get cologne for Ronnie, because you know, you stink, honey. You stink. You need some cologne. But yeah, we did get some cologne at Marshall's, so that was good. And yeah, maybe we're gonna get some dinner now. So the coffee table had a few scratches on it that were just on the surface, so I used some 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sanded it, removed all the scratches that way. And then after that, I wanted to seal it with some polyurethane in a matte finish. The table was unfinished to begin with, so I wanted to make sure that I could seal this and make it so that it's wipeable and waterproof, because you know, when you set your drinks down, I don't want any water rings or anything like that on the wood. So this makes sure that it protects it and makes it wipeable. The console table was also unfinished, so I went ahead and sealed that as well. This is optional. I just like my surfaces to be wipeable. You know, with 3 boys and stuff, there's always messes and fingerprints and all that stuff. And I like this matte sealer because it doesn't give it like a really shiny appearance. So it doesn't change the appearance of the wood too much, which I really liked. And again, I can wipe it down, which makes it so much easier to clean. Alright guys, here it is. I have it all set up and decorated. I hope that you guys like it. I also have some artwork that I got there on the corner that you see from Kirkland's, and it was 75% off. I only paid like $5. But look at this. This is my entryway and I'm so in love. We put our shoes on the bottom. I use these crates and all of our shoes are there. Makes it just easy to sit down, put your shoes on and off. And here she is, our console table all set up. I actually got that white tiered tray that you see there at Kirkland's as well, but I got it for 50% off. And then I raided, of course, the Bullseye Playground section at Target, and I got a lot of the lemon decor from there. I will have links to all of this stuff, but I am loving this for summer. It just looks so good to me. Another great deal that I got at Kirkland's was this blanket ladder. It was 50% off, and I love that it has the two-tone, like the black metal and the wood. I just love that combination. And I'm just really loving this whole setup. I am looking forward to just decorating it for every season. And above the entryway, I can't wait to do that either. And here's this coffee table. Isn't it amazing? I still can't believe I got it for the price that I got it at. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got a little peek at what our house is looking like right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!